Forget dry, crumbly keto bread. These pillowy Keto Cloud Buns are here to revolutionize your burger game. Made with just 5 pantry staples, they're soft, flavorful, and hold up perfectly to even the juiciest patties. Say goodbye to lettuce wraps and hello to burger heaven. Yields: 4 generous buns, perfect for double patty extravaganzas. Ingredients: 1½ cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, softened, 1 large egg, beaten, 1 cup almond flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon sea salt, sesame seeds or poppy seeds, for topping, optional. Instructions: 1. Warm up the cheesy goodness. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the mozzarella and cream cheese. Microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring in between, until the cheese is melted and smooth. Let it cool slightly. 2. Doughy magic. In a separate bowl, whisk together the almond flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the cooled cheese mixture and beaten egg, stirring until a thick dough forms. 3. Bun up. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions and gently shape them into buns. Place them on the prepared baking sheet, leaving enough space for spreading. Brush the tops with a little olive oil or egg wash, optional, and sprinkle with sesame seeds or poppy seeds, if desired. 4. Bake to fluffy perfection. Bake the buns for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown and firm to the touch. Let them cool slightly before slicing and preparing your burger masterpieces. Tips and tricks. For extra cheesy goodness, add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese to the dough. Don't overmix the dough. A few gentle folds are all you need to maintain that light and fluffy texture. These buns are best enjoyed fresh but can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. Reheat them briefly in the oven before using. Get creative with your toppings. These buns pair perfectly with all your favorite burger fixings, from juicy patties and melty cheese to avocado slices and crispy bacon.